Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your likes on Badoo dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating app on your device, and after logging in using your credentials, if you haven't already, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can directly start matching with various users. Now, right from the homepage, you will be able to find the likes option. If you tap on this, you will be shown all of the likes that you have gotten within the Badoo dating app. If you have already matched with this user that has liked you, then this user will no longer appear in the likes page. However, if someone has liked you but you are yet to like them, then this person will appear within this page. You can also tap on the chats menu, and from the chats page also you will be able to find the likes page. You can simply tap on it and you will be shown all of the people that have liked you. If no one has liked you, or if your profile is incomplete, then you can tap on the nearby option from which you will be able to directly chat with various users without matching up with them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your likes on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.